Is there much? Yeah. Was unmuted. Please. Sorry guys about that. Let's just wait for 2 minutes, then we start. Sorry about that. So today we're supposed to look at crypto, but shall start with analysis, yeah? Forex analysis, then we go to crypto. Because at least analysis is something simple. Can just do that. So I'll be also sharing with you guys a setup that I'll be looking at on of course I can analyze any pair, but I trade few. This will just be a quick scalp that I'm going to show you people in a few minutes. Then shall look at other pairs. Yeah, then Forex, crypto. Then I'll show you guys a setup that I'm expecting to work out during. Yep, I already have one moving in profit, but I'm going to show you guys. Then we shall begin crypto in depth. So I already have two actually moving in profit. Okay, they're not solid to jump in actually, but we're going to just do the analysis together and I show you how simply, without my strategy, that I will do analysis and get profitable setups. Yeah. Now, let's just wait for a few minutes. Someone in the private group just help me tell the guys have started. Honest. Space don't know. I'm saying no one is here, only honest. Okay. Delicious. Guys, let me just inform. Okay. Let me share the link too. So we're going to break it down. Yeah. As you all know, my strategy is very simple. Okay. The one that I use is very simple. I don't complicate stuff. Though there are a few things that, of course, I know about, but that's all sentiment. I believe that's all sentiment. I believe that's all sentiment that let me just share the screen. I believe that's all sentiment that all other traders I believe that's all sentiment that all other traders use while trading, and I can use them. I can use it to their disadvantage. That's how I trade. And I'll never go outside. I'll never go outside my trading just because someone else said something about a setup. Yeah. That's why I normally trade one thing and I go with what my mind is telling me and what the markets are printing. So if the markets print out that, hey, it's time for you to jump out of this market, I'll jump out. Yeah. So let me just record this session for the few guys that are not here. Okay. So currently, let's just begin it. Now, currently, I'm looking at, of course, US 30, swinging it to the downside. And it's a very simple analysis. Just that, simply that. Of course, right up here, you find that we have a huge support zone. Yeah. We have, a huge supply zone. Sorry. Huge supply zone if you begin from here. But if you want to go to exact, you can just pick weak rejection mitigated this zone, but I would still consider it because the market is not perfect. So that's simply my analysis on that. Though, of course, someone would start their trend line here and push it to the upside. So I basically trade trend lines. Yeah, it's something I've been using for so many years now. So trend line trading is one of them. So my take profit. Normally, I don't set a text, which is candlesticks. I can end this trade in the literatures here. I don't normally set take profits. But then let's go to already have a bias in there that we can use, though I'm waiting for confirmations. Simply that. I'm waiting for confirmations on this trade. And if it doesn't give me the confirmations, I won't be taking it. Though I still believe it can give us a slight retracement. But I see Bitcoin breaking to the upside anytime soon. And yeah, though if it breaks below this trend, it would mean something else. Bitcoin has been printing a lot of money for me, a lot of attention to GBPUSD because of this rising trend. Because of this rising trend. Okay, sorry about that. Just a minute. Yep. Because of this rising trend, I hope I'm still on everywhere. Because of this rising trend, but it doesn't mean we can't start shorting GBPUSD because we have this point here. So what do I start looking for? Now I've made a video that I've posted a few minutes before I came on our GBPUSD. I just made a simple analysis. It's on YouTube, and I want to repeat it here. Yeah. Now there's something called repeated patterns in technical analysis that I use. I don't normally trade elite waves harmonic patterns, but I know they work. And if I see one, I'll use it to my advantage. But I trade the term technical analysis. That's what I trade. Now you can see that right in this area, we have three candlesticks. We have this bullish one. I hope you can see that bullish candle. We have this bullish candle right here. Then we have a slight neutral candle, which was the last. Then we have that bearish candle. So if I scroll to the left and I see this bullish candle, let me just delete this. We're going to go to crypto, guys. And if you see this bullish candle, and you see this bullish candle right there, moving to the upside, and we have that neutral candle. Let me first delete this. And we have this neutral candle right there. It gives you a sentiment that this happened on the left. It's very possible for it to happen again. We have this neutral candle too. And then if we have a bearish candle, heavy one, down to that level, we may have the same market movement go to the downside. It's very possible with GBPUSD. Because for the times I've been trading it, it tends to repeat patterns on and on again. Or is on and on again, it will repeat that pattern. So I just bring the same exact analysis to this market and I repeat the same thing. And if it does that, well and good. That's technical analysis. That's the term. So I don't normally use so many indicators. It depends on how the market is moving. There's a time when the market wasn't giving us the best support and resistance structure. I think I made a video about it on YouTube. GBPUSD was not giving support and resistance structure. For example, this was the market. You can see that this is right here. This is what we call support and resistance structure. But support and resistance, the market just goes back in. It doesn't give us support and resistance structure. Right here, it pretends to do, but in the next one, it doesn't. So will you keep trading the same way after the market starts doing this? You have to change your strategy to meet the current market movement. Yeah. And that's where the edge is. The edge is not in finding the holy grail. It's about finding a repeated pattern and repeating it to your favor. Yeah. Now, in here, in this market, I told the guys in the private group that we're going to change our style of entry and we're going to use what we call demand and supply structure. And it's what we use to kill this market. I think that's a week where we had generally no losses. Yeah. Though it's out of odd that we're supposed to get some losses in there. But we didn't have any. It's because of that reason. For the guys who are just joining, today's session is on crypto, but we're just doing a brief breakdown of this, how I expect this market to flow. Let me breaking this high and going to the upside. I'm looking at this one. Oh, this one's already melting. Let's see. This one's already melting, guys. We're in that short. Though, of course, I've been swinging US 30 to the upside, but looks like it came to an end there. And I've just said I'm shorting this. Yeah. Then the last one is this one, GBPUSD, expecting it to see shorts, but we're supposed to wait for that confirmation. No engulfing yet to the downside. So you have to wait for the candles to the market to engulf a candlestick, confirm to us that this market is willing to sell. Now, if you look through all these candlesticks, you won't find any bearish engulfing. All this, there's no bearish engulfing in here. Yeah. So you have to be extremely careful with such a market. So as simple as that. Let's look at crypto. Yeah. I don't want to keep you guys here. By 8:30, this live will be done. And I believe we would have shared something that will change a lot in our trading. Because the more I teach out there, the more I also learn. I at times tend to see repeated patterns when I'm trading and when I'm analyzing with the whole. I think he has gone off. Crypto, they not no in here. But make my losses are there. It's part of the journey. Make the profit. Be patient. They understand that it became a thing for them. Set the rules, stick to them, and go on. Which I've just seen a meme coin you created called Department of Government Efficiency. I think Elon Musk posted that today. Let's look at crypto. Yeah. Now, crypto, guys, that can be the The first crypto was, of course, Bitcoin. How many to such an investment? Yeah. Now, I know I'm saying Mark is here, King Mark Pro. He asked, was it him last time who said, how do you invest in crypto? But today, let's look at that. Like me and you have $200, can get Buran. It's so nice. 1 month, the Buran. People who taught me crypto, same festo and money in the Buran, as long as you know how to invest. And today, I'll share with you guys, of course, the markets are not giving the best out there, but of course, they can rise so fast. One thing I know about crypto, it can recover 100% in 1 hour. Gold can't do that. Never. You get gold can't do that. But Bitcoin can, crypto can. So I don't know. I think Mark Pro should he come on and say how we should going? Yeah, but I can show you, but you can come on and Marky Pro session. There's 100. I'm going to send you the link, show you how we can invest in it. Yeah. So now if you've got the zeal or the gas that you want to invest in crypto, most times I want to use two sites, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and this is now CoinMarketCap. This is the site. Now you're going to find so many currencies. Currently, there are around 2.4 million cryptocurrencies out there. So many cryptos. There are so many out there. Yeah. But how do we cut out the noise? This is where the difference comes in. There are 799 exchanges out there. Yeah. A lot of money is going through the crypto market. A lot of money. So the first coin on the crypto, all these coins are arranged in form of market cap. The biggest market cap takes the biggest position on the market. And that's why they are written in order one to infinity. I would say infinity. Yeah. Because even right now, I can make a coin and I launch it, but I don't have the money to provide liquidity and all that stuff. So for example, you can see that the interface here is Bitcoin. It goes down up to down there. So how do I invest in a coin that I've done research about? So that you can divide these coins into so many categories. But one thing I want you to do is take the narrative. I know we shall have a private session. I'll show you the best strategy for it, but this is also a good one. You can get the trending narratives like, okay, I love AI, and I'm saying AI it's moving so fast. You come and look for coins or tokens that are around AI. You can say, I love gaming like online games. You come and say you search for tokens around gaming. Now all these coins have a utility and some are meme coins. Yeah. All these coins, a utility means a use. You get a use. So let's start with Bitcoin. I'll just click into Bitcoin here. I'm going to enter it and we can see that 19 Bitcoins, I guess, around that. So right now it's $58,000. That's a very huge profit. Yeah. At some point it was $1. So it means this thing will just keep rising. There's a story behind it, but I want to just summarize everything. Yeah. So that for someone who's just beginning out. So you can read the best part to do before investing in centralized cryptocurrency, originally described in 2008. And these are the reasons why it was bought. Bitcoin is a P2P, peer-to-peer online currency, meaning that all transactions happen directly between eco-independent network participants. So you can read everything about Bitcoin. The main point of it, if you want to read deep about it, you can come here and click a white paper. Now, a white paper is like a document that has details about a specific token or cryptocurrency. Now, if you like the idea that, okay, this thing is going to be so big in the future, for example, there are coins that would tell you it will be for maybe online security in the Web3 ecosystem, something like that. It sounds so promising that you see this thing growing over time and you want to grow with it. And that's where we get the narrative of investing. Now, some people don't need to even know this information. I hope I'm still on. Am I still on? Okay, I'm still on. Guys, am I still on? Oof. I should just see if I'm still on. Someone text or something. Okay, I'm still on. I'm seeing guys raising their hands. Okay. Just a minute. I think I'm on. Thank you, Fahad. So I was saying, so once you read everything and you feel this thing has something big, it can go through, you can invest in it. Now, this is where the problem comes in, how to invest. So There are exchanges out there that you can buy these tokens from, and they're divided into two. We have centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. Centralized simply means the government can have a hand in it. For example, they require a license to operate in that country. That is centralized exchange, like Binance. Binance is centralized. It means once they acquire a license to operate, it means the government has ascertained to protect its citizens from whatever Binance is doing. But now, there are some called decentralized exchanges. Those ones don't have things like customer care. You don't know anything up. In fact, no one has control over them. You get no one has control over them. They are decentralized. And those are the best if you like hacking those things. No one will track you. You can't be tracked. If you send money wrongly, you're going to lose it forever. Now, I'm not saying Binance will return your money. You will have to pay close to $500 for them to try to fetch back your money. And it's not, it's not a guarantee that they will. You get? So you have to be extremely careful. But now, for the start, let's look at depositing money on Binance. There's something called P2P. The video, I'm going to post the link after. If you have Uganda shillings, for someone coming from Nigeria, like Michael is here, you can use Bybit. Bybit, Bitgate, those ones are still operating in Nigeria. I saw OKX left, but you can see that Binance, I think Binance is not yet back in Nigeria. Coinbase is not in Nigeria. OKX left Nigeria because of regulations, but Bybit is still in Nigeria and a few of these. Yeah. But I would recommend him to use Bybit because many Nigerians use Bybit. But for Uganda, Binance is still operating. Bybit is operating in here. KuCoin is operating. So many are operating in Uganda. So you can literally use now. So once you download the Binance app, of course, you pass through the process of account creation. It's so easy. It takes like 5 minutes. There's something called P2P that is going to be explained in that video. The video will explain to you how to deposit money from mobile money until it reaches Binance via USDT. Yeah. If it's hard for you, you can inbox me. Guys, don't trust anyone in my group. A few weeks ago, I'm still solving a case, so don't trust anyone, even though it's someone who seems to be close to anyone. You can't even fail to trust me. You can do your own thing on the internet. Yeah. Money is something big. Yeah. Changes people. That's the video. So once you get the video and understand it well and you're able to deposit money on Binance, you start hunting for coins. And if you have $58,000 to buy Bitcoin, you can come here, you come to the market and you see that, okay, Bitcoin is on Binance and I can buy Bitcoin. Now, there's another video that helps you know how to buy the specific currency. Yeah. Then I think next week we shall look at how to do the trading on crypto. Yeah. Simply that. So to find out where that market is, you come and see that this one, Bitcoin is on Binance at this price, meaning I can find it on Binance, and then you go on and buy it. I'll send you a second link where you can change your USDT to Bitcoin, get via Binance. If it's hard for you, I'll take you through step by step. At least I surrender some time and do it for you. Don't do it for you. Take you through it with screenshots. Yeah. So or you can inbox Mark Mark Chitaka. Yeah, I think that's how his name is written. That one, if he robs you, I know where to find him. So simply that. So let's go on and find another coin. So all these coins can be bought the same way, Solana, all that stuff. But let's go into the best way of how to invest on low, if you have low capital. Yeah. I'm going to show you guys the best way. So what I do mostly, yeah, for me, what I'm doing this morning, guys, I don't have a full Bitcoin. No way. I don't have it. Truth be said, I don't have a full Bitcoin. But guys, I've invested a lot in some of these coins. So many of these. So one thing I like to do is I want to follow the narrative. Yeah. I want to the easiest way you can invest in these tokens, invest in cheap ones like Solana. Don't invest in USDC, because it's a stable coin. You want to make money, it will just remain the same. You can invest in XRP. You can see it's number 7. The price is 0.59. It's very cheap. 0.5 cents. That's cheap. You can invest in that. But in case you've invested, for example, you have $100, you've put 20 on XRP, 20 on, guys, this is a very good coin to invest in right now, Tron, because there is a reason why Tron is becoming active. They've learned something called the sun pump memes that enables people to launch meme coins on their platform, on their blockchain. So better invest in Tron before it shoots so high. Yeah. So there's some cheap coins here that you can afford. You can just come and be like, okay, I'm going to make research about a coin, invest in it. Yeah, someone else. Okay. So I'm saying keep a hit on like, just a minute. I don't know why Happy Timothy is not here right now. And but so you can come and invest in Shiba Inu, but I'll give you the best three coins that you would buy. Just you can just write it down. Buy XRP because they won their case last month. Okay, this month actually at the beginning. They won their court case. Invest in Tron, invest in Dogecoin. In fact, top 100, make research about it. Just search on YouTube and search Polkadot Shiba Inu. I'm sure there's so many people who want money for views. They will explain to you in depth. My kid brother, I told him to start a channel explaining each cryptocurrency from Bitcoin. And trust me, tell him he'll make views. Imagine making a video on each cryptocurrency. That's what many people don't know about this. You literally get views in one day. So Pepe, you can see it has 0.50 to its name. Can invest in that. If you can check the chart of some of his coins, the all-time high will surprise you. For those who have been trading, if the price of, let me say, OKB right now is $36, but its all-time high is 120, what does it mean? It means it can break that all-time high at any point. Yeah. So invest in these coins. There is this one, Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. This one is a good one. They merge Fetch AI with Ocean Protocol, is it? And some other one, and came up with this. So it's a good one. Now let's go into that strategy that I've been telling you guys with small capital. Now, why do I say I wouldn't underestimate $200? I can't because I know it's a lot of money. It's where we all came from. Yeah. So imagine you don't have money, but you really want to invest in this market and you're willing to lose if the market does you dirty, but you want to be part of it. Anything can happen. What do you do? This is the first strategy that I would do. Since these coins are already big up here, you can see the market cap. Bitcoin's market cap right now is so huge. Look at it, it's $1.1 trillion. That means it's so big. A lot of money is passing through it in one day. They're just close to, hey, Bitcoin is remaining with 1 point something million Bitcoins to be mined. This is too much for me. I don't have $58,000 to invest in it. So what am I going to do? This is what I would do. I'm going to come to the smallest market cap right here. I'm going to rearrange this thing according to market cap. Yeah, let's get it. So I'll just do this. Just a minute. Anyway, let's just scroll through. So I'm going to look for, you see where market cap is written here? I'm going to choose coins that are from 10 million market cap to around 100 million. These are already 300 billion, 117 billion. This is Tether. But look at this. This market cap is so huge. So I want to get the ones that are low. You get that are low, that people have not yet developed so much interest in, that have good potential. That's the strategy that I would want to do. Yeah. So I'm going to scroll down to the lowest market cap. I want to go to like page 5. Let's see what's on page 5. Okay, we have reached, this is 72, 10. I want to start analyzing from 10. Okay, this is a good one. I actually invested in this one today, but let's just continue down. So you can see that we are now on 50 million, but let's enter page 6. I'll tell you some of the coins that I invested in that are down here, that I rarely even look at. They're on a separate portfolio, because I know there are times there are gains down there, but I know in the bull run, it can do 100x, even 1000x is possible. 1000 times your money. That's what I mean. 1000 times your money, bull run. That's crypto. So what I do, Forex is where I get from capital. I bring 10% of the withdrawals right here. Let's begin from the 24 market cap. $24 million market cap. Now you can see that there are cheap coins in there. Yeah. There are cheap coins in there that, yeah, cheap. But then What do? I want a coin that has some volume going through it in a day. Now look at this one. This one has just $45,000. $45,000 going through it, meaning someone can move it with one hand. I want to get one that has, let me say, 1 million upwards. You can see one has 3 million. Yeah, that's 3 million volume going through it, and I think it's a new one. Let's just open it. Oh, I did a mistake. I made a mistake, but make research about it. We want to see how it's moving. We want to see the project behind it. We do more ecosystem. I want to see not on Binance, buy Bit. So the white paper, you can see someone has given a review here. If it's jump, why that not going to $1 by 2000? Because they added tokens to it. Ish, this is a bad review though. I think August 18th. But yeah, this is a bad review, but it doesn't mean it can't pump because someone can pump it actually. So that's exactly how you just need to keep playing around 0.0 something. It can make you money from the bull run. You can put in $10 and come out with something. And you can see the volume passing through it is 9 million today, just today. So it can be a really good one. Okay, I mean, it's 3 million. Now there's another one here that's also cheap that you can make research about. But let me just show you people, the ones that have invested if you want. So I've invested in this one, Habibi. Yeah, I invested some money there. Not so much by the way. People will think by some money I'm saying 1,000. No, just put in some little money I forget. That in the brain I'm checking around and I just bump into a wallet that has some good units of the dollar. I have Grok. This one I've been holding it since Elon Musk announced that Grok is going to be the AI. I bought Grok. I think the people in MicroPlus know that. I pushed for Grok a lot. And there's one I've just seen here. There are few, yeah, because I do research about them. There are some I haven't done research about, but I keep digging. Yeah, I keep digging. Just a minute. I can't invest in all the coins, so let's move on to page 6 is where I spend time, but there are some that 70, 40. So just I moved it from my portfolio, I don't know why, because it wasn't moving, it was just in one place. But you can do research about it now. Just a minute. Mother, I have Mother actually. Very good project. Yeah. It's by a celebrity. What's her name? Iggy Azalea. Mother. There's one called Tate. Daddy by Andrew Tate that I also put in some little money. But guys, you have to be extremely careful. You can just put in. There is a friend of mine who's putting $5 $5 on these cheap coins. Yeah, cheap coins, $5, $5, $5, $5. So you have to make research about them. Victoria VR, I've been holding this one for a year now. Yeah, and yeah, this is the daddy that I'm talking about. Invested some good money in here. Then okay, we'll say entering where I have most coins. I have Sweat. Now this one I just bought it because I like the way their narrative of paying people to work. Every time you walk around, they give some Sweat tokens. I don't know if people know them. There are few, but they can pile up and earn you some good money. So you can download the Sweat app and get some money from it while walking around. Cat Dog. This one launched, I think, yesterday. Is it today? Yesterday. Yeah. And people posting a lot of money there. Let's see. Guys, you can do research. I'll just give you the forget the money. Like, it's little money you get. Invest, move that market cap so large that you want to profit off. That, and you have to do, you guys have traders, so you can easily do analysis and know what's good and what's bad. Now, this one I invested in it today morning. Very good project right here. It launched on the Trix, the Tron network that I've been talking about. And it's also on Sun. It was launched via Sun Pump Memes. Very good project called Pepe. Yeah. I invested in it today. Then there's so many. So that's the strategy you literally use. You just come here to the ones that have a small market cap because they have to grow and all of them are aiming to hit at least 1 billion market cap. Yeah. Another strategy is you can divide how you invest. You can say I'm investing in AI. I have hooked protocol too. You can say I'm investing in AI. I'm investing in, you can see, click here, get the AI tokens. They are very good projects. There's Injective Render. Render is a very good one. It's very cheap. So you can go on and invest in that. Now, investment, deposit money via Binance, look for the crypto via convert, invest in it. Just convert USDT to that name of the crypto, and that's done. And don't withdraw. No, some will withdraw to spend on, man. Guys, these are investments. Yeah, investments that can make us money. Good investments. So there's so many coins, but if you feel you want to us to dig in a coin, you can just, this is a very good one. Chain GPT. If you feel that your coin is confusing, you can just post it in group and we do some research about it. That's why the group is there. And yeah, you never know. Yeah? You never know we can profit off of that. You never know we can make a lot of money by just sharing. Oh my God. That was a mistake. Sharing analysis on crypto coins that we are looking at for. So guys, that's it for today. I don't know if there are any questions. If there are any questions, guys. Anyone with a question, just time it. XX, you can fit, you can fit right now. All those signals that we just shared. I don't know where Bitcoin is. Yes. Yes. No, you withdraw and the money comes to you. Yeah, that's it. Because now, okay, let's go to the chart and I show you what I mean. Now you see the bull run, the reason why it's called the bull run, it's because it's parabolic. The prices of these coins go so high because of Bitcoin. You get, because if Bitcoin right now is on 58,000 and the price goes to 100,000 US dollars. Remember, Bitcoin is like the indicator for almost all these coins. So what these coins do, they increase in price. And at times in 2021, Shiba Inu made 700,000%. Now, if you were to do the math, imagine 700% on a $10 account, 700,000%. So this is the profit that we are looking for. We are looking for coins that can do that for us. Almost all coins can move, but you can't, if you have $100, you can't invest in a coin that is very expensive because you know the multiply effect. If a coin does 2%, it's not going to make for you money. Now that's why Bitcoin can do 2%, it can do 5%, but it can even do it can do 100% actually. From 58 to 120, that's 100%, yeah, increase. But there are coins that can do 10,000%. There are coins that can do 100,000%, and they are the cheap ones. For example, let's get a coin here, the chart of a coin. Just a minute. For example, I know you trade Forex, so you understand it. There's a chart that I like using, which let's see. Just a minute, let me look for any chart. Okay, let's just choose, we're going to choose 4 of them. Let's look at Shiba. Well, we're trying to see the all-time high, the highest price they go to. Let's look at let's look at Pepe. Then the fourth one. The fourth one, let's just add let's just see. I'm looking for one with good structure. Okay, let's say Nia protocol, since I've talked about it. So now, if we come here, guys, you can now enter on Bitcoin. Engulfing has formed. Just a minute. Stop loss should be tight. Now, look at this. Currently, the market is moving, but let's go to the all-time, the highest point this thing got to. For example, gold. Gold has broken its all-time high. It broke it on last week. So, for example, Nia protocol currently is at $3.9. Yeah, it's a very cheap price for Nia protocol compared to where it has ever been. So imagine you invest, let's say this is $4 and it comes to $20. How much have you made? You have made 5 times the money you get. 5 times from where you bought it from. Yeah. So the only problem comes for people who are investing late. That's why the best example people use is if you see NTV, NBS posting that Bitcoin hits new price, just jump out of the bull run because many people are going to rush to jumping, yet the bull run is ending. Yeah. So at times, if you've made enough money, you jump out. But this is, if you, of course, you know how to trade. This is an all-time high, and most times it will have to break this all-time high to give us a new one, meaning it can go up to $40 each coin. Let's look at So when you reach here, you sell out and you withdraw your money. That's basically how it works. But the people who hold for a lifetime, who want to hold up to 2030, who feel that this thing may go, they want to get money for retirement because Bitcoin has been here since 2008. It's not going anywhere. However, people say it's a scam. The real Bitcoin, not the scam, has been here since 2008. So you can see that this one, Pepe launched last year. It made close to, from here to here, it made close to, I think it's 1000%. Not sure how the tool is calculating, but it made a hit. If you Google Pepe, these are one of the meme coins that made a lot of money for people. So you can see that now it has dropped again. All we have to do is jump in at the best price so that we get this all-time high when it goes up. And chances are high, there's a bull. Now, how does the bull run happen? It happens every after a Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving of this year happened in April. And it always happens after the halving. Now, for 2021 was started by Elon Musk when he said Tesla was buying Bitcoins. Now, for this year, people are saying Donald Trump may begin it. That's what people are saying. So chances are high we can get caught in there and we go with the bull run. Though, of course, you can trade crypto. You can trade it like Forex, only that you have to trade it on a platform like Bybit or Binance. You can trade it like Forex, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Yeah. And this is Fetch AI. You can see it has come back to the lowest prices. Imagine it goes from, right now the price is 0.8. It can break this $3 mark and continue. Now, there's one I bought, Solana. I think Solana is the best example. But let's first finish Shiba Inu. Look at Shiba Inu's all-time high. Up here, the price currently is here, but look at where it has ever been. It's very possible that it can break that. Now, you see, every time you see these huge candles, that's a bull run. This is 2021. Okay, this one is new because they changed the name. You can see that, okay, Pepe has not been in any bull run, but every time you see it's huge, this is what we call a bull run. Yeah. Then let's get others. Let's get others. Let me just add. Some of them haven't been in any bull run because they're new projects, but you can get some that have been there, that have seen a bull run. Floki has just come last year, no bull run yet. Ethereum has seen a bull run. Filecoin has seen a bull run. ICP has seen a bull run. So look at this. ICP, look at the price. It was at one point it was $2,800. Currently, ICP is how much? ICP is $11. So where can the bull run take us? From $11 to $2,000. Is that possible? I'm not so sure. But this was 2021 during the bull run. Around the years of the bull run, $2,000. That's where ICP is. Now, the problem comes when someone comes and just jumps in during the bull run. They buy ICP at $2,000. There you lose a lot of money. That's crypto. Filecoin, can see 2020. Okay, this is the date launched. Then the bull run, it came up to $200. Right now it's back to it's back to $3. Yeah, that's Filecoin. During the bull run, it came up to $200. Ethereum moves like Bitcoin. During the bull run, 2021, it reached 4,000, but now Ethereum is one of those pairs that we keep trading. Yeah. So that's how the market moves. Guys, buy Bitcoin right now. You can get an entry there that will give us a small profit. So I think I've explained how it works, but this is in profit. GBPSD, I think I've also called that out. Then I've also called out US30. I believe we are shorting it. It's moving slowly, but it will melt eventually. So that's what we're looking for. So you can trade these cryptos. You can trade them. That's why we're trading Bitcoin right now. You can trade them even though it's not in the bull run. Now, like today, I got this sell that I sent out to the group. Then I think yesterday I got this buy. Then I gain a sell that I shared too. So it's basically, you can trade them, even though you don't want to invest, you can trade them actually. That's the interesting part. And the interface is the same. The interface is just the same as Forex, only that crypto is much riskier. You have to be so careful. You have to be extremely careful. So I think I've answered you. I don't know if I have. Okay. Thank you for asking. Okay, thank you for asking. Next person, I don't know, Kayen. Can you unmute?
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Um, the name is Sin too, yeah.
Okay.
On my snap, like,
Okay, let me just.
stop it. I'm good now.
Yeah, you're good.
Am I good? Uh, no. So as well converted to US again to deposit.
Yes, you have to create a new account and change the currency to USD. During account, no, just the account instead of EGX. The part where they choose to tell you to do it, you just have to change the account.
And also, I would like to enter in the market early. I stroll up the last bull run. And guess what? I entered at exactly the peak of the bull run. You know what you said about when you just get out of it instead of. And I'm telling everybody on here who hasn't entered the list, and I say, I know it can be discouraging. You're like, but believe me, the biggest disservice you can do the markets. You know, I dollars on its all time. I mean,
RIP, sorry for that.
but then he taught me a lesson. I mean, that's why I'm here now. But yeah, I hope people can learn from what I'm saying.
All right. The bull run should find you when you're already in. And you want to know if it has started, yeah? They'll just hit you with a shock and we shall already be at the all-time high. And that's when you invest and you lose. That's why many people say Bitcoin is a scam. They entered during the peak of the bull run. Yeah. I have a friend called Thelma. She invested in 2020. She invested in Dogecoin when Elon Musk was still preaching Dogecoin. And she forgot about her money. Now, she inboxed a friend of mine this year that, hey, I have some crypto, only to check and the coins had come back down. So when I went to evaluate her account, at some point she was a millionaire. She had around $57,000. From $200, she had Cardano. She invested in ADA and she had Dogecoin, of course, and she had some Bitcoin. And she had some UGX still there. So literally, she passed through a bull run when she doesn't know, and the market dropped. So by the time we checked the account again, it had $580. Yet she had invested $50. But I told her at some point her account had $57,000 and she didn't know. You get, that's how crazy these things are. Yeah. So there is money here, guys. There is money to be made. Instead of giving that lady your money, that you guys have funny girlfriends, sorry to say, that money can make you too much money. $10 an investment per month. Okay, yeah, $10. Yeah, can get you something good during the bull run. Let's invest something. Yeah, don't invest in Bitcoin. Invest in some coins that can give you multiply effect. Yeah. By multiply effect, I mean it has so many zeros. If it cancels 3 zeros, imagine this is what? This is Pepe. Pepe's price has zeros to its name. It has so many zeros to its name. So imagine Pepe moves in front. You see, this. I don't know if it's the price. Let's take Pepe is around 50s. 2050. Let me just get the price of Pepe. Wait, I'm going too far. Pepe is around. Pepe is here. Pepe has 5 zeros. Now imagine it moves just 3 decimal places in front on your $10 account. That's $1,000. I have seen people who entered the bull run. There's Solana. Guys, I bought Solana at $38. Right now it's trending at around 140. You can calculate the profit. My kid brother entered Solana at $14. He entered crypto before me. Right now he's seated on massive profit. And it's not me. This is the time I even told guys about it in class. My young brother asked me for $40 and turned it to $200 because he was investing in shitcoin. So guys, then about entering the market, always wait for. I don't want to share the way I enter the market and my own strategy because my guys was jam, but yeah, guys. So let's end the live. I hope you guys are all in these trades. I think we are all seated on excess profit. But yeah, this one's also in profit anyway. But let's see how the market goes. We can leave the live when you're in profit, and during like 10 minutes, everything is in losses. So that's it for today. Are there any other questions? I think we are done. I think that thank you for attending. Have a great day. We shall announce the next live analysis. Thank you for attending. Have a great one.